Welcome to our in-person permanent makeup, PMU, training course overview. Later in this video, I'll give you a sneak peek into one of our live training sessions. Our PMU courses are a blend of modern techniques and timeless beauty principles, ensuring you get the best of both worlds. This is a sneak peek of the online backend. Our courses are meticulously crafted, offering step-by-step instructions. There are many lessons to ensure we cover all aspects of the PMU industry. With Skinart, you'll immerse yourself in the world of permanent makeup, mastering the art of eyebrows, eyeliner, and lips. No prior experience? Perfect! We believe in nurturing raw talent and molding it into PMU excellence. Permanent makeup is more than just drawing on skin. It's about understanding facial symmetry, skin tones, and individual client needs. Familiarize yourself with state-of-the-art PMU equipment. From rotary pens to the finest pigments, we've got you covered. Experience the thrill of transforming faces, enhancing natural beauty, and boosting confidence, one procedure at a time. PMU is not just an art, it's a business. We'll guide you through setting up, licensing, and thriving in your PMU venture. From client consultations, managing bookings, to aftercare advice, we ensure you're prepared to handle all aspects of the PMU business. Safety first, we emphasize the importance of maintaining a sterile environment, ensuring the well-being of both you and your clients. Master the art of showcasing your work. Learn about PMU photography, creating portfolios, and promoting yourself on social media. From understanding skin types, selecting the right pigments, to managing client expectations, we cover it all. From personal protection, understanding risk levels, to sterilization and cross-contamination, we ensure you're equipped to provide a safe experience for every client. Your learning journey kicks off as soon as you sign up and pay a deposit. Your in-person training begins with the foundation in theory that is completed online before you step into our training center. In the meantime, we will discuss with you which date and location is best for the in-person training. Once here, you'll experience a few days of intensive hands-on training where you'll practice, refine, and perfect your skills. The courses are 9 a.m. to 4 p.m. each day, and we largely focus on the practical training because most of the theory was covered already on the online pre-in-person training. Tea and coffee is provided. Just bring some extra drinks and snacks. Post the in-person training, your learning continues. You'll dive into additional online content, ensuring you're well-rounded in all aspects of PMU. Then you'll complete the course and receive your well-earned certificates. For those of you not in or willing to travel to New Zealand or South Africa, we offer a fully online training course for you, which is just as good. This course is a fantastic opportunity to immerse yourself fully and get direct feedback from our experienced trainers. Whether you choose our online or in-person training, we're here to guide you every step of the way. Permanent makeup is not just a skill. It's a passion, a craft, and a life-changing experience for many. Join us and let's embark on this beautiful journey of enhancing natural beauty, one face at a time. Thanks for watching. If you've enjoyed the video, please like, subscribe, and click the notification bell so you don't miss any of our future content.